Now let us drive the formula to find the present value of the deferred annuity. This is a number line also I have drawn. I am just going to explain it now. Let the deferred annuity begins at the end of m years and is continued for n years. Once again, let the deferred annuity begins at the end of m years, that is why I have written m here, and is continued for n years. Now, this part is for n years and this part, this is what? Intervals of deferment. Okay, this is the interest period, m periods, and from here it starts, from the where m plus 1 has written. Oh, is it clear now? Since annuity begins at the end of m years, therefore the first installment is due at the end of m plus 1 years, is due at the end of m plus 1 years. The second installment is due at the end of m plus 2 years, and so on. Like this it goes on. Now, present value of A at the end of m plus 1 years is equal to A upon 1 plus I, and its power is m plus 1. And so on. Now, present value P is equal to A upon 1 plus I with m plus 1 plus A upon 1 plus I with m plus 2 plus A upon 1 plus I with m plus n. Already I have mentioned here. Last term m plus n, then m plus n minus 1, like this one it goes. Is it clear? Now, using GP, we will be having A upon 1 plus I m plus 1 with 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus I whole the power n upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus I using GP. A upon 1 plus I power 1 plus 1 times, now denominator, now this becomes, now 1 plus I goes upside upon 1 plus I minus 1 and 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus I raised to power n. Okay. Now here this term and this term is equal. So we are having now this will become 1 m plus 1 minus 1. Okay. This will come downwards, it will become m plus 1 minus 1. So we are having P is equal to A upon 1 plus I with m, one thing, times 1 upon I with 1 minus, or we can write it with 1 plus I n minus 1 upon 1 plus I power n. Okay. Now finally we can write it P is equal to A upon 1 plus I with m with 1 upon I with 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1 with 1 plus I raised to power n. P is equal to A upon I. Now I with here and this I am taking inside. Okay. 1 plus I with n minus 1 upon 1 plus I with m plus n. Bases are equal, powers are added. So this is the result. This is the result.